సమాచారం కోసం 95 న్యూస్ ఇప్పుడు యాప్ లో మీ ముందుకు వచ్చింది. వెంటనే డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకుని న్యూస్ అప్డేట్ తెలుసుకోండి. ప్రతి క్షణం ప్రజాక్షేమం కోసం.
On her left is Mr. Vishweshwar. He is the zonal sales head with Dabur India Limited. And on his left is Mr. Varun Kumar. He is the sales manager with Dabur India Limited. So before launching this product, I would like to share a few things about Dabur India Limited. You all know that we are one of the largest Ayurvedic companies in India as well as across the globe. And we are 138-year-old company with a turnover of almost 10,800 crore. So as a company reputed with Ayurveda, here also we are launching a product which is made out of Ayurvedic Vedic texture. So discuss more about this product. I would like to request Ms. Anshika to help us and inform us what the new product is all about. I hope the sound is okay. You can hear.
Yes. This is best, I think.
Without the mic? So, hi all. Welcome to the launch.
With the mic. With the mic. But इको आएगा. मैंने बोला कुछ समझ आया ना, तो बिल्कुल नहीं समझ आया.
మైక్ తో మాట్లాడితే బెటర్ అండి, మైక్ లేకుండా బెటర్. మైక్ లో
With mic.
మైక్ में बात करने के लिए
Mic में बात करना.
थोड़ा दूर से बोलो.
Okay, so guys, hi all. Welcome you all for the launch of Vatika Neeli Bringa. Like Dinesh said, that Dabur has 138 years of Ayurvedic heritage, and Vatika, being a brand, well-known brand in South, has a legacy of around 30 years. So from the house of Vatika, we are launching a Neeli Bringa hair growth oil. It's basically it's Ayurvedic medicinal hair growth oil, which is clinically proven to grow new hair in just 2 months. It is made using a very ancient Ayurvedic method of Tel Pakavidhi, in which the herbs are boiled in coconut oil. 14 herbs are boiled in coconut oil for 21 long hours, and then the oil is made. It has very potent herbs like Neeli, Bhringraj, Daksha, Yashimadu, etc., which help grow new hair. As the name suggests, Neeli Bringa 21. So here the 21 stands for 21 clinically tested benefits. So apart from hair growth, it also helps in strengthening the roots, reduction in hair thinning, dandruff, reduces your premature graying, reduces your damaged hair, splittings, etc. So all in all, a multi-purpose oil, but the main benefit is growing new hair in 2 months. We have launched this in 2 SKUs, one 50 ml and 100 ml. Your 50 ml is around 190, is of rupees 199, and your 100 ml is of rupees 399. The oil also comes with a scalp applicator, which is a very ergonomically easy to use scalp applicator. It is vertical in placement and hence very mess free. You just have to use it like a comb you use, and you'll be able to apply oil. The applicator helps in targeted oil application, so the oil reaches to the roots, rejuvenates your dead hair follicles, and in turn helps grow new hair in just 2 months. So that's about Neeli Bringa. I think I'll give it to Varun to speak in Telugu language.
నమస్తే అండి. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినందుకు అందరికీ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. మేడం చెప్పినట్లు ఇది వాటికా బ్రాండ్ అనేది ఆల్మోస్ట్ లైక్ 30 years ప్లస్ నుంచి డాబర్ వాటికా అనేది మీ అందరికీ తెలుసు. ఆ వాటికా పోర్ట్ఫోలియోలోనే కొత్తగా మేము నీలి బ్రింగా 21 అనే కొత్త ఆయిల్ లాంచ్ చేస్తాం. ఈ 21 నీలి బ్రింగా ఆయిల్ ఏం చేస్తుందంటే బేసిక్గా జనరల్గా జుట్టు ఊడిపోవడం, లేకపోతే కుదుళ్ళు పలచబడటం, సో ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏదైతే ఉన్నాయో అవన్నీ తగ్గడం కాకుండా ప్లస్ కొత్త హెయిర్ కూడా వితిన్ 2 months లో రావడం కోసం అనేది ఈ ఆయిల్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయబడింది. ఈ ఆయిల్ కూడా ఎలా అంటే, బికాస్ డాబర్ అనేది ఆయుర్వేదిక్ కంపెనీ, సో ఆయుర్వేదంలో తైలపాకం అనేది చాలా స్పెషల్ అన్నమాట. సో అలాంటి తైలపాక విధితో దీన్ని తయారు చేశారు. సో ఇందులో ఆల్మోస్ట్ లైక్ 21 మూలికలు ఉంటాయి, హెర్బ్స్ ఉంటాయి. అంటే అవి నీలి, భృంగరాజ్, తర్వాత ద్రాక్ష, ఇష్టిమధు. సో ఇవి జస్ట్ 4 అన్నమాట 21లో. సో ఇది చాలా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. సో ఇది మేము 2 SKUs లాంచ్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఒకటి వచ్చేసి 50 ml అండి, ఇంకొకటి వచ్చి 100 ml. 50 ml వచ్చి 199 రూపీస్ అండ్ 100 ml వచ్చేసి 399 రూపీస్. ఇది మీకు రీటైల్ అవుట్లెట్లో ఈవెన్ ఆన్లైన్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్లో కూడా మీకు అవైలబుల్గా ఉంటుంది. సో ఇది క్లినికల్లీ ప్రూవెన్ అనమాట. ఇది 2 monthsలో కొత్త హెయిర్ అనేది వస్తుంది కదా, అది క్లినికల్లీ ప్రూవెన్. సో ఇంకేమన్నా మీకు డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా మీరు అడగచ్చు. యా, ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఇది ఒక ఓన్లీ హెయిర్ ఫాల్ ఒకటికే కాదండి. సార్ ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ
अच्छा, okay, lost hair will come back or or it will
I can speak in
yeah.
So basically, because this oil has Neeli, Bhringraj, Daksha, Yashimadu, so what happens? It does 2 things. One is your dead hair follicles. So the hair follicles who have not given you new hair in past few years for some time, it will go into the hair follicle, nourishes it, and then rejuvenates it, and hence your new hair comes. Second, your hair has a growth phase, shedding phase, resting phase and a shedding phase. So it prolongs your growth phase. Hence your hair growth also becomes faster, and the dead hair follicle, it rejuvenates your dead hair follicles, and hence new hair are able to come. So it has 14 Ayurvedic herbs: Neeli, Bhringraj, Daksha, Yashimadu, Brahmi, Amla, Neem, curry leaves, aloe vera, coconut oil, almonds, camphor, pala indigo, guduchi sattva, and milk.
Many dermatologists claim that hair oil nourishes the scalp. It does not help in hair growth or control hair. How true is that? Because today we have in market almond oil, onion oil, all kinds of oils are available, which never helps in
So what happens, the kind of hair oils you are talking about, your almond hair oils, your coconut hair oils. Yeah. So these are your maintenance hair oils, and hence it nourishes your scalp. You are very well right. This is an Ayurvedic medicinal hair oil. It is made using Tela Pakavidi. It has been tested with our trichologist also, and we have done some clinical trials also on live human to check whether it grows new hair or not, and hence the claims. And it's 100% true. Yeah, it's clinically proven. We have done clinical trials with a third party vendor, and the results came out like.
what is the USP of Ayurvedic? Because there are so many oils of a similar nature, not big already.
Yeah, there are so many hair oils, but none of the hair oils in the market have been able to say that they can grow new hair in just 2 months. Yeah.
They have also proven that
Yeah, but even the tenure in which we are able to grow new hair is less as compared to your other hair oils in the market. So for example, no hair oil in the market claims that they can grow new hair in 2 months. It can be 4 months, it can be 6 months, etc. But we have this clinically tested claim.
So does this also help in cases like alopecia?
So alopecia is something, if it's like hereditary, then even the oil won't be able to help. But yeah, it can elongate your growing phase. It might not be, so your dead hair follicles, it can, if it's hereditary, and so it might not be able to do it. But yeah, in normal cases, when there are dead hair follicles and it's not hereditary, it's because of the lifestyle or environmental issues, then it definitely helps.
But today, pollution, UV rays, they are all major factors for hair fall. So does this oil really help?
Yeah. So your major factors of hair fall, like your environmental issues, your lifestyle issues, the kind of water we have, pollution, stress, etc. This all will definitely help in regrowing your new hair and stopping your hair fall.
At what age? I mean, is it for people in the older age group also that you can help?
Majorly, so what happens when you are like 22, 25, you start facing early signs of hair fall, right? At that point of time, you might not need such a very hard-working hair oil, because you just need to change some things in your life. For example, your lifestyle, you start using maybe Vatika coconut enriched hair oil to reduce your hair fall. when you reach 30 above, you start facing postpartum hair fall, you start facing, and your hair fall is at alarming rate, and you think that you've tried everything and nothing is working. At that point of time, this oil works, and hence the higher potency and the efficiency, because it's an Ayurvedic medicinal hair oil. It's not just any maintenance hair oil which has 1 or 2 herbs. It's made using Tela Paka Vidhi, which actually takes 1 day of whole preparation, and the 14 herbs which help grow new hair. So definitely, for this is targeted for women and men above 30 years of age, when your hair fall is at its peak and you have tried everything and nothing is working.
No E vitamin in this ingredient.
Hmm?
You have not added any E vitamin, which is the most useful for growth of hair.
Any vitamin?
Vitamin E.
Vitamin E was not.
So, when we spoke to our regulatory team, the major ingredient that helps in growth is your Bringraj and Neem. Okay, and we have added that. Vitamin E is majorly acts as an antioxidant and is used for nourishment of your skin, which we are doing with coconut oil. Also, it has almonds, which is a great source of vitamin E. So, I don't think there will be any deficiency of vitamins in this oil.
Is there any side effects? Is there any side effects?
Any side?
This is a 100% Ayurvedic medicinal oil, and hence it has no side effects. In fact, even the fragrance that is there is pure of coconut oil and the herbs. No artificial fragrance has been added. There are no preservatives in the oil, and hence no side effects of the oil.
Many times what happens is the glycolists or the manufacturers insist on using their shampoo and their conditioners along with their hair oil. There's some kind of similar.
No, nothing for this. So we say you use any shampoo, you apply this oil thrice a week for 2 months, and you will definitely see the results.
Apart from growth of hair, what is the other?
So, like I said, it stops your hair fall. We have also the claims of 4x less hair fall. It also makes your hair thicker, so it makes your hair thicker by 3 times. It grows your hair by 3x. Apart from that, it reduces your dandruff. It helps in reducing the premature graying, helps in reduction of split ends, strengthening of roots, thickening of hair, etc. So yeah, quite a few, but I don't think I'll be able to speak about it. Yeah, because it has curry leaves, it helps in blackening of your hair.
Any other questions?
What is the other products that you're planning to do?
We'll do other press conference for that, man. Today we are here for Vatika. We are done. If any photo shoot or anything required, we can, or one-on-one questions.
How many samples you have taken, sir? How many samples you have taken?
Samples?
Trials. How many trials?
Okay, so in clinical trials we had a batch size of around 500, and we did on live human heads to understand the results of the oil. So the oil, actually the time we took in making this oil has been years. It has been 3-4 years of research and changing the formulation to help you guys with the best formulation.
The old product also continue that Dabur.
Vatika.
Right. So yeah, it is actually for different, like I told you, when a person faces early signs of hair fall, like you're 20 to 25 years of age, you start facing early signs of hair fall. Then at that, so Vatika hair oil is targeted towards that audience, and it reduces your hair fall by 90%. When your hair fall is at an alarming rate and new hair growth becomes a major concern at the age of 30 plus, for that audience is Vatika Neeli Bhinga is being targeted to.
What's the size of your market? I mean, in this segment that you have, and what is it that you are expecting to get in terms of revenue? The hair oil, this segment,
This is 1,000 crore. So this whole Ayurvedic hair oil category is 1,000 crore market. This is as per Nielsen.
This is as per Nielsen. This is as per Nielsen.
As per
This is
AC,
as per Nielsen. The 1,000 crore market is as per Nielsen. Yeah.
What we are planning. I didn't get your second question. We don't expect, whenever we launch anything new, ma'am, we don't expect anything. So it will, we can say after say 3 months, a quarter, then we can publish it. Thank you.
Take one.
Yeah.
So hi all, Anshika this side. I handle Vatika oils for Dabur, brand manager for the same. So we have come up with the new launch of from the house of Dabur and from the house of Vatika is Vatika Neeli Bringa 21. As you all know, Vatika is a well-known brand in South and has a legacy of 27 years. And Dabur has a 138 years of Ayurvedic heritage. Combined both, we bring together this Neeli Bringa 21, which is a Ayurvedic medicinal hair growth oil. The oil is clinically proven to grow new hair in just 2 months. It is made using Telapaka Vidhi, which is an ancient Ayurvedic method in which your 14 herbs are boiled in coconut oil for around 21 hours and the oil is made. It has 14 Ayurvedic herbs like Neeli, Bringraj, Daksha, Yashimadu, which helps grow new hair in 2 months. As the name suggests, Neeli Bringa 21. So 21 stands for 21 clinically proven benefits. That is, apart from growing new hair, it also helps in reduction of hair fall, strengthening of hair roots, delaying premature graying, removal of dandruff, removal of split ends, making your hair black, etc. So 21 clinically tested benefits. The oil comes with an ergonomically easy to use comb applicator. As you can see, the applicator is vertically placed and hence it becomes really easy to apply oil. It's just like you have to comb your hair and the oil will be applied. Because of this, because of the applicator, the oil is very micro targeted. It penetrates deep into your hair roots, helps rejuvenate your dead hair follicles, and helps grow new hair in 2 months. So we have launched it in 2 SKUs, 50 ml and 100 ml. Your 50 ml is for rupees 199 and 100 ml is for rupees 399.
నమస్తే అండి, నా పేరు వరుణ్. నేను రీజనల్ ట్రేడ్ మార్కెటింగ్ మేనేజర్ ఫర్ డాబర్. 138 సంవత్సరాల ఆయుర్వేదం అనుభవం ఉన్న డాబర్ వాటికా నుంచి కొత్త ప్రోడక్ట్ మేము ఇవాళ లాంచ్ చేస్తున్నాం. అదేంటంటే నీలి బ్రింగా 21 హెయిర్ గ్రోత్ ఆయిల్. ఇది పురాతనమైన తైలపాక విధితో తయారు చేయబడిన హెయిర్ ఆయిల్. ఇందులో మీకు 14 ఆయుర్వేద మూలికలు ఉంటాయి. అవి ఎందుకు ఉపయోగపడతాయి అంటే న్యూ హెయిర్ రావడానికి, ప్లస్ హెయిర్ పల్చగా ఉన్నప్పుడు అది గ్రో అవ్వడానికి, సో కుదుళ్ళు స్ట్రాంగ్గా అవ్వడానికి ఈ ఆయిల్ ఎక్కువగా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. ఇందులో మేము 21 క్లినికల్లీ ప్రూవెన్ బెనిఫిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఈ ఆయిల్ వల్ల. ఈ ఆయిల్ని మేము 2 SKUలో లాంచ్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఒకటి వచ్చేసి 50 ml at 199 రూపీస్, రెండవది వచ్చేసి 100 ml at 399 రూపీస్. ఈ ఒక్క హెయిర్ ఆయిల్ వాడటం వల్ల హెయిర్ గ్రోత్ 2 నెలల్లో కొత్త హెయిర్ వస్తుందని క్లినికల్గా ప్రూవ్ చేయబడింది. ఇది మీకు మీ దగ్గరున్న అన్ని దుకాణాల్లోనూ మరియు ఆన్లైన్లోనూ మీకు అవైలబుల్గా దొరుకుతుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ.